Hello everyone, I am Ritika Duswar, Assistant Professor IT Department. So in the course of Artificial Intelligence, we discuss about Unit 2. So in that we already discussed about the heuristic search technique, the hill climbing algorithm with example, types of hill climbing. Okay, so as I said in previous video, there are two types of search technique. First is the informed search and the uninformed search technique. Okay, so here in this video we are going to discuss about the informed search technique only. Okay, so there are two types of informed search technique, best first search algorithm also and the ASR algorithm also. Okay, so see here in this video there are two types of search strategies, uninformed search and the informed search. Okay, so here we are going to discussing about the informed search strategy. So there are in the informed search technique, which is also called as a heuristic search technique, so there are two types of algorithms are used. First is the best first search algorithm, which is called as a greedy search, and the second thing is the A-star search algorithm. Okay, so first we are going to discuss about the best first search algorithm, that is the greedy search algorithm. So the greedy best first search algorithm always select the path which appears best at that moment. Okay, so अगर हमारे पास डिफरेंट स्टेट्स है, जैसे कि ये वाला एक स्टेट है, ये वाला एक स्टेट है. ओके, so here we are going to select one state and this state appear as a best moment. Okay, we have to consider this particular state is a best state. Okay, so it is the combination of depth first search and breadth first search algorithm, and it uses the heuristic function and the search technique. So in this best first search algorithm, we expand a node which is closest to the goal node. Okay, so here if I am considering this is our current state. Okay, so this is my current state and these are the remaining states. Okay, so from this current state we have to choose which is our goal state. So if I am considering this is our goal state, so from this current state we have to check which is our goal state. Okay, so in this best first search algorithm we expand the node which is closest to the goal state. Okay, so if I am selecting this node as our current state, so then check the goal state from this current state. Okay, and the estimated heuristic function. So by using this technique we can use the cost estimation by using the heuristic function. Okay, so we expand a node which is closest to the goal node and the closest cost is estimated by the heuristic function, that is f of n is equal to g of n. Okay, so here f of n is equal to g of n, where h of n is equal to estimated cost from the node n to the goal node. Estimated cost from the node n to the goal node. Okay, f of n is equal to g of n. So here we are using the h of n is our heuristic function. So the greedy based first algorithm is implemented by the priority queue. Here we are using the priority queue. Based on the priorities we have to use the best first search algorithm. Okay, so see here, if I am considering this is our current state and from this current state we have these two nodes, first node and the second node. Okay, so the priority, okay, जिसकी priority ज़्यादा होगी, okay, so उसको हम पहले preference देंगे. Okay, like this. So greedy based first algorithm is implemented by the priority queue. So see here, if you are using the best first search algorithm, so what is the algorithm steps here? So step 1 is what? Place the starting node into the open list. Okay, we have to choose where we have the different number of states, and among the state we have to choose one node as a starting node. Okay, so this is our starting node, so we have to consider this node in the open list. Then if the open list is empty, stop and return failure. Okay, then remove the node n from the open list which has the lowest value of h of n and place it in the closed list. Okay, so हर एक जो भी हमारे पास स्टेट होगी उसके लिए हमने यूज़ किया है h of n. जो h of n क्या शो करेगा हमें? ह्यूरिस्टिक वैल्यू. हर एक नोड के लिए हमें शो करेगा वो ह्यूरिस्टिक वैल्यू। सो इसकी ह्यूरिस्टिक वैल्यू 1 हो सकती है, इसकी वैल्यू 2 हो सकती है, इसकी 4 हो सकती है। ओके, so expand the node n and generate the successor of a node n. So if I am considering this node is our current node or a starting node, so we have to expand this node to the successor of the successor of a node n. Then check each successor of a node n. So ये जो मैंने नोड चेक किया है उसके सक्सेसर नोड्स कौन से होंगे? ये वाला एक सक्सेसर नोड हो सकता है, ये वाला एक सक्सेसर नोड एंड ये वाला। सो check each successor of the node n and find whether any node is a goal node or not. So इन तीनों में से कोई एक नोड हमारा गोल नोड हो, एक है इसमें से नहीं है। सो इफ़ एनी सक्सेसर नोड इज़ अ गोल नोड देन रिटर्न सक्सेस। बट ये वाले सिचुएशन के अंदर एक भी नोड हमारा गोल स्टेट नहीं है। ओके, सो फॉर ईच सक्सेसर नोड algorithm checks for evaluation function f of n and check if the node has been in either open or closed list. So if the node has been open both lists, then add it to the open list and return to the step 2. So continue, हम क्या करेंगे, स्टेप को रिपीट करेंगे। So in this greedy search, we expand a node close to the goal state. Close to the goal state. The closeness is estimated by the heuristic h of x. So here the heuristic is what? The heuristic h is defined as h of x. Heuristic is defined as h of x, estimate of distance of node x from the goal node. Estimate of a distance of a node x from the goal node. Okay. So see here there is one example based on the best first search algorithm, where we have to find the path from S to G using the greedy search or a best first search. So the heuristic value of h of each node below the name of the node. Okay, so here we have the nodes A, B, C, D, E, S and G, and the heuristic value for A is a 9, 4, 2, 0, 3, 5 and 7. Okay, so we have to find out the path from the source node S to the goal node G. Okay, यहाँ से यहाँ तक का हमें path find out करना है। Okay, so how to find out? If I am starting from this S node, then the heuristic value is 7. Then the successor nodes कौन से होंगे इसके लिए? एक तो A एक नोड हो जाएगा एंड D एक नोड है, अनदर नोड। तो इसमें से heuristic value किसकी मिनिमम है? 5. So we have to check this नोड D. देन D के सक्सेसर नोड्स कौन से है? B एंड E. ओके, सो S को हमने क्या किया? लिस्ट के अंदर इंसर्ट किया, D को हमने लिस्ट के अंदर इंसर्ट किया है। सो D से हमारे पास सक्सेसर नोड्स कौन से है? B एंड E। इसमें से मिनिमम ह्यूरिस्टिक वैल्यू कौन सी है? ह्यूरिस्टिक वैल्यू कौन सी है? h इज इक्वल टू 4 एंड h इज इक्वल टू 3. सो मिनिमम इज व्हाट हियर? E. सो वी हैव टू चूज दिस E नोड. ओके, सो E के सक्सेसर नोड्स क्या है? ओनली G. सो लास्ट में हम क्या करेंगे? G को ऐड करेंगे. ओके, so this is a path from S to G, that is S, D, E and G. okay, so यहाँ पे हम ग्राफ से भी मेंशन कर सकते हैं या फिर ट्री से भी हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, बाय यूजिंग ग्राफ ऑल्सो एंड बाय यूजिंग ट्री ऑल्सो. ओके, सो यहाँ पे बस क्या किया है, जो भी ग्राफ है उसको बस क्या किया है, ट्री के फॉर्म में इम्प्लीमेंट किया है. So see here, there is another example related to this best first search algorithm. So starting from the S node, we have to reach to the goal node. Okay, so starting node is a S. So starting from this node, the successor nodes are A and B. So which is the minimum? B. So we have to choose this path. Starting from this B node, what are the successor nodes? E and F. So which is the minimum? F. So starting from this F node, what are the successor nodes? I and G. Okay, but I is not our goal node. Okay, so we have to choose the heuristic value 3. So where we get the goal value. So path is what? S, B, F and G. Okay, so this is our final solution. जितने भी रिमेनिंग ट्रीज है उसको हम चेक नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि ह्यूरिस्टिक वैल्यू उसकी क्या है, ज़्यादा है कंपेयर टू दिस रिमेनिंग नोड्स. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हमें आई नोड को चूज़ नहीं करेंगे, हमें पाथ कहाँ से कहाँ तक फाइंड आउट करना है, एस नोड से जी तक। ओके, ये सोर्स नोड है, गोल नोड तक हमें रीच करना है। बट अगर हम आई नोड को चूज़ कर दें तो ये हमारा गोल स्टेट नहीं होगा, उसका सक्सेसर को हम क्या करेंगे, चेक करेंगे, जहाँ पे हमें क्या मिलेगी, गोल वैल्यू मिलेगी, गोल स्टेट मिलेगा। ओके, सो दिस इज अनदर एग्जाम्पल रिलेटेड टू दिस बेस्ट फर्स्ट सर्च एल्गोरिथम. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of this best first search algorithm. First is it can be switched between BFS and DFS by gaining the advantages of both the algorithms, and the second advantage is the algorithm is more efficient than the BFS and DFS algorithm. Okay, so you can check previous lecture videos related to this BFS and DFS. So these BFS and DFS are the types of uninformed search algorithm, okay, where we discuss about what is meant by BFS, DFS, difference between DFS, BFS with example. Okay, so you can clearly understand the concept related to this BFS and DFS. Okay, so these are the advantages. The second point is the disadvantages. So it can be behave as an unguided depth first search in the worst case scenario. Okay, so if you are having this type of trees in the searching in the best first search, so sometimes we get the technique like a depth first search, so we have to check depth wise. Okay, so see here in this example we are searching the goal state as a depth wise. Okay, normally अगर हम DFS की जगह पे BFS अगर यूज़ करते तो हमें क्या चेक करना पड़ता है, S, देन A को हम चेक करेंगे, देन D नोड को चेक करेंगे, देन B E C, सो लाइक दिस लेवल वाइज हम क्या करते हैं, BFS के अंदर सर्च करते हैं. बट इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग द DFS, सो DFS के अंदर हम क्या करते हैं, डेप्थ वाइज सर्च करते हैं. ओके, S to A का डेप्थ में कोई भी गोल स्टेट नहीं है, सो वो क्या करेगा, राइट हैंड साइड चेक करेगा, S के बाद D के बाद E एंड E के बाद G. सो ये क्या होगा, हमारा DFS. ओके, सो समटाइम्स इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग द बेस्ट फर्स्ट सर्च एल्गोरिथम, सो वी आर गेटिंग the depth wise search, okay, in the worst case scenario. So it can get stuck in the loop as a DFS, so this is another disadvantages. And then this algorithm is not a optimal algorithm. Okay, so sometimes most of the time ये algorithm क्या करता है, depth wise search करता है. so यहाँ पे अगर उसको goal state नहीं मिलती, अगर ये वाले केस में अगर उसको goal state मिलती है, okay, so यहाँ पे ये situation क्या होगी, fail होगी. so it can be get stuck in the loop as a DFS loop. Okay, so these are the advantages and disadvantages of this best first search algorithm. The next is the time complexity. So the worst case time complexity of the greedy based first search is big O of b raised to m. Space complexity, the worst case space complexity of the greedy based first search is the big O of b raised to m, where m is the maximum depth of the search space. Okay, so here in this example the depth value is about 0 1 2 3. ओके, सो m की वैल्यू क्या होगी, ये वाले केस में b रेज़ टू 3 एंड ये वाले केस में 0 1 2 3 अगेन. ओके, सो डेप्थ वैल्यू इज व्हाट हियर 3. सो डिपेंड ऑन द डेप्थ हमारी टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी एंड स्पेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी डिपेंड होगी. ओके, देन कंप्लीट. सो ग्रीडी बेस्ड फर्स्ट सर्च इज ऑल्सो इनकम्प्लीट इवन इफ द गिवन स्टेट स्पेस इज अ फाइनाइट, एंड द ऑप्टिमल द ग्रीडी बेस्ड सर्च algorithm is not optimal. So each and every time we cannot find out the optimal solution by using this BFS search technique. Okay, so this is all about the best first search algorithm, where we discuss about what is meant by BFS algorithm steps, example, advantages, disadvantages, time complexity, space complexity, complete and the optimal solution. Okay, so this is all about the best first search algorithm. Thank you.